Okay, I'm gonna show you how to backfill the DURASKIRT properly. I've brought up some loose dirt here that you can see with the machine. I don't want to push. We don't want to push the dirt up and make the fabric push in, because then the panels won't hold the backfill. The fabric has to be tight, pulling out against the panel. So I'm going to demonstrate how I do the backfill, and it's been working really well. I've got my handy shovel here, and I usually just kind of pull this out with my foot, take the dirt, throw it against the panel, and let it fall down. Okay, keep pulling on the fabric. By throwing the dirt against the panel, it makes it fall and actually pulls the fabric tight also. Okay, as you can see, I've gone ahead and put a good sized pile of dirt, maybe 8 to 10 inches high against the skirting. Then there's still some fabric showing on the front edge, and we've got to get that covered up. All we do is simply take and pull some of that dirt forward now. Alright, so now we've done a 27-foot long side of the house. I'm going to move the camera now. All that fabric now is covered up and ready to receive backfill. Now, I've already gone through by hand and did that side there.